We know the moon moves oceans. That is established. Every tide, waves, and trillion tons of water on Earth pulled and pushed by something floating 384,000 kilometers away. That alone is unbelievable. But here is the part that gets personal. Your body is also made of water. About 60% of you is water. So if the moon can pull entire oceans, wait, can it pull the water inside you? And if it can, does the moon control you? Welcome to Peak of Science. I am Zaman, and today we follow that question wherever science takes us. Let us start with basic physics. The moon sits about 384,000 kilometers away from Earth. That sounds far, right? Very far. And yet, its gravity moves trillion-ton oceans twice every single day. Now think about your own body. Your body holds about 42 liters of water. So if the moon can move oceans, logically, it must pull on your body water too. And it does. The moon does pull on your body water. But here's the strange part. The measurable tidal effect on your body is almost zero. Almost nothing. But why? Why is this effect almost nothing? The answer comes from a place you probably did not expect. Naval engineering. In ship design, there is a concept called the free surface effect. When a ship carries a large tank of liquid, only partially filled, that liquid can slosh freely as the ship moves. And that moving water becomes dangerous. It shifts the ship's weight, destabilizes the vessel, and in extreme cases, it can even capsize the ship. So naval engineers use a simple but brilliant solution. They divide the large tank into smaller compartments. Smaller compartments means less free surface, less sloshing, more stability. Now, look at your body. Your water is not sitting inside you like one big free tank. You are not a walking aquarium, thankfully. Your water is distributed across approximately 37 trillion individual cells. 37 trillion tiny compartments. Nature, long before any naval engineer was born, had already solved the free surface effect problem inside the human body. 37 trillion compartments. Not designed in a laboratory, not engineered by a human mind, just evolved over billions of years, quietly, perfectly, inside you. Your cellular structure holds your body water so completely that the moon's gravitational pull cannot create measurable movement inside you. So yes, the moon pulls on you. But no, it does not move your body water like an ocean. So the moon cannot directly move the water inside your body. Your 37 trillion cellular compartments. Make sure of that. Case closed, right? Not quite. Yet. Because this is where the story becomes genuinely strange. If the moon has so little direct effect on our body water, then why does the human menstrual cycle last almost exactly 29.5 days? The same length as the lunar cycle. Why do people across the world, from villages to modern cities, sleep less in the days before a full moon? And why do mood disorders in some patients follow the lunar cycle so precisely that researchers describe them as being pulled, like ocean tides, by the moon? That is for next part, and I promise you, the answers are stranger than the questions. Subscribe to this channel so you do not miss what comes next. I am Zaman. This is Peak of Science. Explain, explore, excite.